My name's Klayton West. I got a 1969 Peterbilt 359 small window. The name of it's Tetanus because she's a little rusty around. It's got a 290 Cummins with a 13 speed, 411 rears.
How did you end up with this?
A farmer down the road from my place had it, and it sat in his fence row for about 10 years, and me and my buddy got the nerve one night to go out and look at it, and it's been coming along ever since.
How long have you had it?
I've had it for about 1 month.
1 month?
1 month.
And in that time, you've put this awesome sleeper on it?
Yes.
What made you think to do that?
I just had it laying around. We brought it home, and the same night it used to have a dump bed on it, so all that was left was a cylinder. So me and my buddy took the cylinder off, and the same night we put the sleeper on and just had a bunch of fun with it.
This is some really sweet paint, too. What happened to catch your eye on this truck?
It was a small window, and I knew I had to have it.
Does that air conditioning unit work? You
No.
haven't had to figure out yet, also.
No. I don't think it does. It's full of dirt daubers.
Did it start up when you went to look at it, if it did sitting for 10 years?
No, it had water in the fuel, and the injection pump was rusted up, so we took it back apart and cleaned it and put it back together, and it ran away on us a couple times, and took it back off and cleaned it again, and it's been running ever since.
Do you have a trucking background?
I'm only 20 years old, and my dad, he's always trucked all my life, and my grandpa and uncle has trucked, and it's just in the family.
Has an old truck been part of your trucking background also? Like, has there been an old truck in the family? You're like, I need one of those too?
Yeah, my dad's got a 1975 A model Kenworth short hood. My whole life I've dreamed of running that truck and owning it, and I found one that's a little bit older than that, so we're gonna see what we can do.
Is this its first show then, if you've only had it a month?
Yes.
Any other big plans?
Next year I plan on redoing the interior and whatever else comes, I guess.
Any shows that other shows you hope to get it to this year?
Maybe Perryville, if we can get it ready in time.
Well, I'd say anything you're willing to drive to, this truck is going to get attention. So.
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
good. I know a lot of people that likes the older stuff better than the new stuff, and I'm one of them.
Me too. You found the right person in here. Well, it is absolutely beautiful, and it's got the perfect patina. It's got cool paint. It's a little window Pete. You've put an amazing sleeper on. Actually, where did you find that sleeper?
Well, my buddy had it, and his dad actually had it on one of his old trucks, and his dad recently passed, and I've always wanted it, so when he passed, I got the opportunity to buy it, and I figured I better ought to buy it.
It's probably like an oven in the summer, I would guess.
I'm sure.
It's for looks instead of practicality.
Yeah.
Well, amazing. I'm glad that a young person has found something so cool. I hope to see it more.
Yeah, I hope to bring it places or take it places more.